Today's adventure included going to the Lone Star Flight Museum in Houston, Texas. Make sure y'all follow us on TikTok and YouTube. Right as you enter, they have a kids' play area to get all their wiggles out.
Whoa, where's the black one? Yeah. It says we can sit in.
Oh, there's a plane that we can sit in?
Yes.
All right, let's go check it out here in a minute.
It was some over there.
This place is so neat. Make sure y'all grab the scavenger hunt for the kids at the front desk.
All right, so we're going on a scavenger hunt today.
Yeah.
To find these symbols on the planes.
Yes.
And there's teddy bears on the back that we can look for. They're also in the plane. Look at a flight suit.
In the riot.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, that's
Ooh, let's look over here. What do you think this is?
A big bomb.
A big bomb. It's Aircraft Corporation.
Whoa! It's flying magically.
They also have a huge kids interaction area. Y'all be sure to come check this place out when you get a chance.